I'm gonna make my detox tea. This stuff is amazing. I use 3 tea bags of milk thistle tea. Milk thistle is really important because it helps detox your liver and cleanse it. So important with weight loss and also boosting energy. I'm also going to use 3 tea bags of dandelion tea. Again, this is really great for detoxing the liver. I also add some ginger. So I've actually peeled some ginger here. I'm going to peel just a little bit more. Ginger is going to calm the stomach down. It's going to help you feel satisfied. There you go. Whoops. And then you want to just slice it up real quick. If you're in a hurry, you don't even have to peel the ginger. You can actually just leave the peel in there because it's going in the tea. It's just going to steep. I'm also going to use 2 cinnamon sticks. Obviously, this is great for flavor, but cinnamon actually helps stabilize blood sugar. We're going to add our hot water. Okay, my tea leaves are done steeping. It's gone for about 2.5 minutes. It looks good. It smells amazing. What I want to do now is I'm going to add my artichoke extract. And you guys, this is so good for your liver. That's why I call it a detox tea. Put a little bit of coconut oil in there. Kind of mix it in, let it melt, but what coconut oil does is it actually increases metabolic rate. It also boosts your immune system, and it's also great for people who have skin disorders. I recommend people doing 2 tablespoons of coconut oil a day on my Skinny Chicks Eat Real food plan just because of the metabolic boost. So we're good there. Now we just need a little bit of lemon. I'm Italian, I can't do anything without a little bit of lemon, okay? Plus, obviously, we all love lemon in our tea, right? Good. So we could serve it warm. So cute. Or you can serve it cold. You put a stainless steel spoon into a glass pitcher, and then you can pour hot water into the glass pitcher without it cracking. Now, if this thing cracks and breaks on justlux.com, I'm going to laugh at myself, but it should work just fine. So just get it into the pitcher there. So I like to add a little agave to my tea. So let me get out my teaspoon. And, oh, is this teaspoon a little bit big? It's my age, you guys. I'm just, I can't figure it out. So this is my version of a teaspoon, so I can actually find it in my kitchen. And of course, I like sweet. So just kidding. But isn't this fabulous? Who wouldn't want this much agave nectar in their tea? So we'll go with a regular teaspoon. And I like to eyeball things, but you should measure if we'll do 3 teaspoons since this is going to serve about 10 people. All right. And you probably want to put your agave nectar or honey in there while it's warm so it kind of blends in just right. So the tea, it's still warm. You can add more ice to it. You can also just throw it in the fridge. It'll take about 15 minutes and it's ready to go.